Computex video coverage is powered by Woodware's Woodbook Ultra Y16. Be it your gaming or working, the Woodbook Ultra Y16 is able to handle everything from light AI workloads to the latest gaming titles, courtesy of the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics and AMD 8000 series CPUs. The Woodbook is ready for today and tomorrow's workloads with an exceptional build quality and a high DPI IPS display. The Ultrabook Y16 offers a compelling feature set at an unbelievable price. Easily the best value proposition notebook series in South Africa, bar none. Hey everyone, it's Neo here, and in this last week of June, I'll be looking at some of the other vendors that made an impression on me at Computex 2024. G.SKILL is by now a staple of Computex with their OC World Cup, where new overclockers, veterans, legends come together to compete, break records, and generally put on a good show. But that said, G.SKILL's booth is actually massive, and behind the OC World Cup wall were several systems all featuring G.SKILL memory and other interesting overclocking gear, like the AI-designed LN2 container commissioned by Elmo Labs and Scatter Bancher in partnership with 3D Systems, Diabetic and Hanway Consulting. We also got to see the G.SKILL Wiki-Dash in action, showing off all sorts of information about the systems and other interesting data. When it comes to memory though, G.SKILL was showing off systems with up to 384 gigabytes of memory and another one with 192 gigabytes of memory, each running DDR5 6600 and 6800 respectively. And of course, AI, or rather the AI labeling, was everywhere. That said, we've yet to see how memory performance directly impacts AI tasks for end users on their PCs. And of course, the booth would not be complete without a demo or a stable system running an extraordinarily high DRAM frequency. And in this case, it was DDR5 10600 on a Ryzen 5 8500G APU, which is nothing short of amazing. But expected, because we are talking about G.SKILL here. And by the way, there was actually another system next to it that was running DDR5 9600 on a more common Ryzen 7 CPU. A highlight for me were the redesigned G.SKILL memory modules, such as the RipJaws M5 memory. Never before has the RipJaws line looked this compelling. And were it not for the new Trident Z and Royal memory modules, the RipJaws M5 would be by far the best looking DRAM series G.SKILL has ever produced. In contrast to the other memory, the M5 series really is a generation ahead, and I for one am looking forward to testing this memory on current and upcoming platforms. While at the booth, I also got the opportunity to see the much talked about Cam2 memory in action, at a respectable DDR5 7800 by the way. Boards that support this form factor, along with the matching memory such as what we saw at the show, could be a game changer for memory enthusiasts. And this is all possible in future depending on how this technology goes and the motherboard manufacturers obviously coming to the table. But I suspect that we might see some really high frequencies in this form factor in future. And in keeping with, or rather saving the best for last, I got to see the new redesigned Trident Z and Royal modules. The heatsinks may not be for everybody as they are fingerprint magnets, but they definitely do look absolutely incredible. From the aging or rather muted look of the current Z5 memory to what we have here, G.SKILL has breathed new life into their memory, and I must say it does look absolutely amazing. These may not appeal to everybody, but they certainly make a compelling case for themselves as far as I'm concerned. I also believe these are probably best appreciated in the flesh as they really do look stunning. And with that said, remember to tune in again for more recaps of Computex 2024. Until then, however, remember to share, like, subscribe and all that good stuff. But more importantly, please take care of yourselves guys, and until the next time, peace!